Take a big breath, take the pressure off yourself. I mean, that's huge. Take the
Amen.
pressure off. We're used to having all this. And so now we're down here. So treat yourself like a little baby, like a
Mm.
newborn. Forget about everything you used to know because that's no longer available to you yet. It's a yet thing. It's like it's going to come back, but in the meantime, you're just going to become a much better person for it. Don't feel guilty about feeling so ill because what you're doing is you're learning stuff that a lot of people don't ever get to learn. And that's how to treat yourself well and to be kind to yourself and do things that make you feel good. And in turn, everybody around you feels good. Slow, slow, slow. Don't be in a hurry. Little tiny pieces, bite-sized pieces, Danny says.
Yeah, and that's really what it was. I love the word yet. We use it a lot. I use it a lot. I don't know if you remember that someone will say, I can't do this and I can't do that. And I say, yet. You know what I mean? Because if you say it without it, you're making it definitive. But if you say it with yet, it's saying, well, yeah, this is the current reality, but it's not necessarily the end destination reality.
You're going to get there. You got to just take your time to get there, but you're going
Mm.
to get there. It's like a diet. You gain all this weight and you got to lose it. And it took you a long time to put all that weight on. So now it's going to take you a long time to take it off. And you have to do it right. You can't go buy magic pills and stuff. You got to really get to the root cause of the problem and sort through it little piece by little piece.
Yeah, I think one of the biggest problems is people don't believe it's possible for them.
Because when you're down there like that, I wouldn't have thought so either when I was sick.
Mm. How did you change that belief? Was it partly just seeing other people in the program getting better? Was it just chipping away and just like slowly noticing improvements over time?
All of that. I was committed too. I was
You were.
committed. When I did this, I was really committed. I was like, I'm doing this. I don't expect to be better tomorrow. I know I almost went into the second program. You'd
Yeah.
invited me to come.
Up
Yeah.
level program. Yeah.
Yeah. I mean, becoming a captain, when you brought me in as a captain, that was huge. I was like really exciting. It was like, hey, that's an honor. I'm a helper. I'm like you. I'm an educator. I'm a empath, I guess, if you will. I feel
Mm.
more for others than I do for myself usually. I like to help people. I just went to Florida to help a girlfriend there for 2 weeks. I went and she became disabled. So I went and straightened out her whole house and sorted it out so
Oh,
that it could
wow.
be functional for her. I would have never thought that possible a year ago.
What's that like to be able to do that for someone?
It makes me want to cry. It's wonderful to help somebody else. You help me, I pay it forward.